Hey everyone, let's get into some names that I've been giving you that has been just printing. A lot of these stocks have 20, 30, even 40% in a week or two. But I'm starting to get a little defensive and starting to hedge. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through my hedge plays, just so you're not caught with your pants down. You don't want that to happen. So let's start with Archer Aviation. I mean, this name, if you're not trading it, if you don't have Platform X, what are you doing? I gave you this one when it was around 10.5. We're at 13.28 right now. Joby, another name in that same aviation space. Baby, you're vertical. Check out my video on Market Watch. Had over 97,000 views where I gave away these two stocks. And Big Bear AI. Oh, another 14.5% move today. Platform X, daily, 2-day, weekly, monthly, buy from 7 to 8.15. Cha-ching, cha-ching. But don't worry, we got a few more that we'll get into hedging. Galaxy Digital. I bought this one on my Robinhood account at $21.50, and now we're $26 a share. And I've held this for maybe a few days or so. Yeah, here, I bought it here. And yeah, I mean, it's almost too easy. So when things look too easy and it's too good to be true, it usually is. Rocket Labs, that one's been a huge winner, big investor into space, and just wait for that SpaceX to go public. Unity, we had the weekly 35 calls earlier in the week. Those calls have more than 4x in value. Another highly shorted, squeeze them out, baby. You want some QBTS? We got you there. QUBT, we got you there. Rigetti, we got you there in the quantum computing. Remember, those small caps are leading the way. But let's get into some hedging, because god darn it, what if this market crashes? First hedge play, the Qs. Why? Well, we're just a little too high. Too much dope in the market. You got Netflix with earnings, and you start having big cap tech earnings. So all I did for the Qs was I just did a little bit of the 550, 530 bear put spread for August monthly expiration. The SPY. Same kind of trade. I did the August monthly 620, 610 bear put debit spread. So all I'm looking for is the market to pull back a little bit. That's about $17 in the SPY, that or below for full profits. That's it. Why? Because SPX is at 6,300 today. Big round number. Again, everyone wants to talk about winners. Heck, 2 minutes ago, I was just talking about all my junkie stocks. And by the way, if you want my junkie stock watch list, just leave a comment and I'll give it to you. You can see all my high flyers on it. But, you know, when things are looking too good and the champagne and popping and the music is rocking, that's when you want to look at protection. And then the last thing I did was I bought some of the crypto puts. Oh, he's going to jail. I know, this guy's bearish on Bitcoin. Lock him up. Well, the company that contracts me, they had a Bitcoin summit. Usually that's a top when they all get bullish on Bitcoin. So, you know, I tend to take the contrarian play, and all the Bitcoin news with the, you know, legislation passing or all that jazz just seems, again, a little too much euphoria. We are in, I'm thinking about buying, by the way, some VIX calls. They just are not the most liquid. Might have to get closer to a shorter dated expiration. If you do look at the fake news at CNN, Fear Greed Index, we are at extreme greed, meaning everyone and their mother wants to buy stocks. So when everyone wants to buy stocks, we want to be selling stocks. I can't really say anything, because if you look at my Robinhood account, I have my little gambler Robinhood account. If you look at the GLXY, I just bought in it. My total return is 21%, and I've owned this stock for, when did I buy it here? You want to laugh? July 14th. So, that's what, 3 days ago. I mean, it's just, again, everything seems too good to be true. So I think hedging with cheap vol is good. Intraday, still doing the SPX, 4 p.m. trades. You know, the indicator is spot on, to say the least, as we've continued to see. But yeah, just letting you know what I'm doing, hedging. Make sure you leave a comment if you want my junkie stock watch list. Like, subscribe. I need that check from YouTube this month. Why? I don't know, because I'm a greedy capitalist pig and it's extra money coming in, so make sure you do. Thanks.